Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Well, this is Lightning Safety Awareness Week, so the first question we're going to ask, why are cars safe in thunderstorms? Everybody pretty much knows that cars are safe in thunderstorms, but just why is that? Well, if you guess because of the rubber tires, that is not correct. Remember, we're talking about a lightning bolt, a bolt of energy that can go 10 to 20 miles through thin air. A little bit of rubber is not going to stop that. So why are cars safe during thunderstorms? Well, it's due to the metal body of the vehicle. The lightning strikes the metal body of the vehicle and sends the charge around you, jumps to the ground. And this applies to cars, jet airliners, buses, trucks, trains, but it does not apply to golf carts, does not apply to bicycles, motorcycles, or even convertibles. Will offer very little or no lightning protection whatsoever. So our vehicles driving down the road, minding their own business, and bang, here comes a lightning strike. You see the tires get blown out. That's, again, the charge traveling through the metal body of the vehicle and jumping to the ground. And that's usually the end result of most lightning strikes versus vehicles. And again, the people inside the vehicle are unharmed because that charge has gone around them and jumped to the ground. Now, some lightning safety advice, as it is Lightning Awareness Week. The chief rule is when you hear thunder, you are in range of the lightning. So when you start hearing thunder, it's time to get into a safer location. Safest place to be is inside a good solid building or a fully enclosed metal vehicle, and you want to stay in that safe location until thunder is no longer heard for at least 30 minutes, and then wait about a half hour, don't hear any more thunder, then it's safe to go back outside. Remember, most people are hit by lightning before the storm approaches, when it's not raining or after the storm has gone by. The rain has stopped, but there's still lightning cracking around. As long as you're hearing that thunder, you are in range of that lightning. So let's take a look at the weather. Next few days, next 7 days, the Weather Prediction Center is telling us that the bulk of the precipitation being in the center part of the state, telling us that's where they think most of the thunderstorms are going to be as we go through the rest of the week and into the weekend. But Flagler County is still in the precipitation shield, as is the Gulf Coast. So that tells us that some days the storms will be pushing towards either coast. So as we start the mornings, most of them are going to start off largely sunny, maybe some patchy cloud from time to time. Then the afternoons, expect scattered thunderstorms, some of them a little bit more numerous, especially out here in the west side of the county. If you're over here by Andalusia, Bull Creek Fish Camp, Dead Lake, Lake Diston, Daytona North, these locations will see probably more rain and more thunderstorms than like maybe Bunnell, and then maybe even less storms over by the beaches and Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Beverly Beach, and Marineland. Matter of fact, the closer you are to the beaches, the less thunderstorms you're going to see the next few days. There will be some days where the storms do push all the way to the beaches. That's why I painted some thunderstorms over here. But most of the action is going to be west of Bunnell as we go through the week. But again, there will be some days where it's not like that, when storms do push towards the coast. So through this week, expect a chance of thunderstorms each day. The better chances will be out in the west side of the county, but there will be some days where they will push towards the beaches. High heat indexes will stay with us through the week. Make sure you're staying hydrated out there. And remember, any thunderstorm will carry the risk of squally winds, torrential downpours, and hail. So for the rest of today, scattered thunderstorms chiefly west of Bunnell. High heat indexes approaching 105 degrees. The air temperature will be right near 90 degrees, a few degrees warmer out west of Bunnell, and a few degrees cooler at the beaches. Low temperatures generally in the mid-70s at night. Wednesday, sun and cloud to start with scattered thunderstorms. Again, the better chances west of Bunnell. You could see a few try to push towards the beaches in the afternoon or the evening. High near 90. Again, it will be cooler at the beaches, warmer inland, lows in the mid-70s. Now, Thursday, it looks like we're going to see a slight pattern change, and the thunderstorms will all try to come towards the coast. So it looks like we're going to see maybe scattered to perhaps numerous storms on Thursday, at least the way things look right now. So all areas, a good chance of thunderstorms. High temperatures in the lower 90s, lows in the 70s. Friday, scattered thunderstorms again, but they might be starting to shift back inland. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s. And then looking towards the weekend, maybe some more moisture gets into the picture, so we may see more numerous storms. But right now, we're just going to say scattered thunderstorms each day, high near 90, lows in the 70s. But we could be seeing more activity as we go towards the weekend. We'll be back before then to give you an update. At the beaches, it's looking great out there, unless you're a surfer. Surf 1 to 2 feet, not really good for the surfers, but good for going down to the beach and enjoying the ocean. Surf temperature, a nice warm 83 degrees. That's really nice to get into. Low risk of rip currents. Do watch out for a couple jellyfish. We've had a couple reports of them, but not widespread at all. The UV index has been running extreme, so please wear the sunblock if you're going to be at the beaches. So in the tropics, no issues of concern to Flagler County. Hurricane Center's watching an area that's going to develop perhaps off the mid-Atlantic state, but that's going to move off to the northeast. No issues for us. So stay informed. Remember, weather's always changing. Go to flaglercounty.org. Hover your mouse over webcams of weather. Get the latest from from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there, so that way if any storms go severe, you will get the notice of that. Check your weather radio as well. It's a good source for warnings and also a good source to see what's going on. Hurricanes.gov for the latest on the tropics. If you want to see what's going on with that system, go there for the latest. And also you can catch us on channel 492 on Spectrum, or you can go to YouTube and search for Flagler County. That's going to wrap things up from the Emergency Operations Center. We'll be back towards the end of the week.